Everyone, Anna Krueger here with Sparking Progress, and today we're going to talk about a very underutilized topic of conversation that really we should be having with all of our prospective clients. All right, so you're probably wondering, Anna, what is this thing that we should be talking about that we're just not doing just yet? Tell me. All right, here we go. So there's an idea about the assumptive mindset. And the assumptive mindset means when I'm on the phone with someone, I'm assuming they're going to hire me because of course they're going to hire me. And you may or may not believe that to be true, but tell yourself that and you will eventually believe it to be true. Of course, this person's going to hire me and they're going to love working with me. Well, something that a lot of people don't talk about in that vein is what about all of those amazing client events that you do for your past clients? The way that you can talk about that on a phone call is, let's say that I'm talking with a buyer who's moving here from out of town, and they mentioned to me that they really don't know anybody here. I can start talking with the assumptive mindset about our client events. So that could sound something like, hey, George, you're going to love the client events that we're going to help you get plugged into once you move here. We have a client network and we do movie nights, we do baseball games, we do pie giveaways and Thanksgiving parties. And so just know that once you move here and work with us, we're going to help you get connected to other people in the community. That's a great thing to be talking about, especially with those out-of-town buyers. So I encourage you, if you're not talking about client events, even before they're a client, you're really missing out on a great opportunity. Just make sure you explain this is something you get access to once you decide to work with us. All right, well, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, everyone.